Hello everyone, my name is Darweesh. Today we're studying an important grammar rule. But before we study it, we need to understand the word noun. The word noun has two kinds. We have countable and uncountable. Very good, we will learn them now. So for example, this is one or two. This is one, all right? So this one is singular. Singular means one, okay? Singular noun. This is a noun, marker, okay? Nose, mouth. This is what we call it a noun, all right? Or these are nouns. Very good. So singular, so we say it is one. Very good. So how we speak about it? Focus. If you have the object here, it is here, near, you know, it is what? Near. So with near, I say this singular. This is a marker. See? This is a marker. Very good. But if I put this one here, please. So see? That is a marker because it is far. Okay? Far. That we use it for far objects. Alright? And the object must be what? Singular. Very good. Remember guys, when you use this and that, because you use a singular noun, okay, we usually use a and an. They are articles, okay? We use a and an when we have the noun is what? Countable, okay? So for example, what is countable? Here, 1, 2, countable. Count, 1, 2. Okay, if I tell you, count my hair, you cannot count them, all right? So this is uncountable. So if the noun is uncountable, don't use a or an, okay? So for example, you say, that is, here we go, this is or that is rice. Rice is uncountable. But if you go to marker, it is countable. So you say, this is a marker. But remember, when you use this, this is for near. When you use that, it is for far objects. Very good. Now let's go and talk about, for example, they are two. If they are two, how we speak about them? We say, here, they are near, so we say, these are markers. Or, these are two markers. It is fine, you want to name the number, it is okay. So, if I put them far away here, okay, I cannot put them here, guys. So if they are far, so I say, what? Those are markers. Those are markers. Very good. That's all about this, that, these, and those. Remember one point, guys. When you say these, okay, don't say these, wrong. Say these. The S is sound, or the sound of the S is Z. And the same idea in here. So these, those. These are markers. Those are markers. That's all about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you guys. See you.